Compounding money hacks to retire early. Ever wondered how the wealthy retire decades before the rest? The secret isn't just earning more, it's mastering the power of compounding. In today's video, we'll break down the smartest money hacks to multiply your wealth and secure an early retirement. Whether you're starting with a little or a lot, these strategies work for everyone. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact roadmap to financial freedom. Retiring early is a dream for many, but only a few manage to achieve it. The key to making this dream a reality lies in understanding and leveraging the power of compounding. Compounding allows money to grow exponentially over time, making it one of the most powerful financial tools available. This guide will walk you through some of the best money hacks to accelerate your financial growth, maximize returns, and retire early with financial freedom. Understanding compounding and its power. What is compounding? Compounding occurs when the interest or returns on an investment generate additional earnings, which are then reinvested to earn even more. This creates a snowball effect, where your wealth grows faster the longer you allow it to compound. Why compounding is essential for early retirement. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, significantly increasing your wealth over time. By leveraging compounding, you can reduce the amount of money you need to save and still achieve financial independence sooner. 1. Start investing early. The biggest advantage of compounding is time. Even if you invest small amounts, starting early will allow your wealth to grow significantly. Example: if you invest $5,000 annually at a 7% return starting at age 25, you could have over $1.1 million by 65. If you start at 35, you'd have only $540,000. The key takeaway: start as early as possible. 2. Maximize retirement accounts. Retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs offer tax advantages that enhance compounding effects. Steps to maximize benefits: contribute the maximum amount allowed. Take advantage of employer matches in a 401k. Choose investments with high long-term returns, like index funds. Reinvest dividends for continuous growth. 3. Automate your investments. Consistency is key when it comes to compounding. Automating your investments ensures that you're regularly contributing without the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. How to automate? Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to investment accounts. Use robo-advisors or brokerage services that offer automated investing. Increase your contribution amount as your income grows. 4. Focus on high-return investments. Not all investments compound at the same rate. Choosing higher-yielding assets can significantly impact your wealth-building journey. Best options: index funds and ETFs, low-cost, diversified, and historically strong returns. Stocks, growth stocks, and dividend reinvestment can amplify gains. Real estate, rental income, and property appreciation add to compounding. Cryptocurrency and alternative investments, risky but potentially high-yielding. 5. Use dividend reinvestment plans. DRIPs, dividends are payouts from stocks or funds, and reinvesting them can supercharge compounding. How DRIPs work: instead of cashing out dividends, use them to buy more shares. Over time, this leads to exponential growth in your investments. 6. Cut unnecessary expenses and invest the difference. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested and compounded. Smart saving hacks: reduce subscriptions and memberships you don't use. Cook at home instead of dining out. Buy quality, long-lasting items instead of frequently replacing cheap ones. Adopt minimalism and prioritize spending on what truly matters. 7. Generate passive income. Relying solely on a paycheck limits your ability to grow wealth. Passive income sources can provide continuous investment capital. Top passive income streams: dividend stocks, rental properties, affiliate marketing, blogging and YouTube channels, peer-to-peer lending, selling digital products. 8. Take advantage of tax-efficient investing. Taxes can erode your returns and slow down compounding. Smart tax strategies help maximize growth. Tax optimization strategies: invest in tax-advantaged accounts, 401k, Roth IRA, HSA. Hold investments long-term to benefit from lower capital gains tax rates. Use tax loss harvesting to offset capital gains. Consider municipal bonds for tax-free interest income. Compounding is the ultimate wealth-building hack, allowing even small investments to grow into substantial amounts over time. By following these strategies, investing early, leveraging tax advantages, maximizing income, cutting unnecessary expenses, and staying consistent, you can build a passive income machine that lets you retire early and live life on your terms. Start today, stay patient, and watch your wealth grow exponentially. There you have it, your step-by-step guide to harnessing compounding and retiring early. The best time to start? Right now. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth building strategies, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. What's your biggest financial goal? Drop it in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep compounding and keep growing.